Hey, we got one fresh off the truck. Well, y'all, we finna get it off the truck, and they say we're gonna leave the trailer with you, which was a blessing in disguise, so they ain't even gotta take that back. We come get it in one woo-wop. Let me do the walk around. Ooh, we got some integrated taillights. I ain't seen them before. Seat, Corbin Coupe?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Yep, Cooper. I'll get the seats done by Corbin Coupe. If you talk to Bazine, he can make your seat match your bike scheme. And so, you know, we got a nice flow right here. You know, so we're gonna get him in the shop in a minute and start doing some work. I tell people I don't need no appointment, just show up and we can show out. Just give me a heads up, and you know, I'll keep it open for you like Motel 6. We gotta go. Money's Car Stereo, we out. Putting this new Alpine up in here. It's a media center. What was it? ILX W-650. As you see, we're gonna make it work out in the Harley Davidson thing. But at the same time, since there's only 2 screws holding it, you need to go ahead and add some Loctite to the party to ensure that we don't have to come back in here for no apparent reasons. The one thing I do not like is a comeback. A comeback don't get me no money. A comeback gets you conversation. So I'm down to talk, but there, yeah. Okay, that's in there. So now we have to modify that over there. Because let me see something. It don't want to really cooperate. Actually, there. That's where we gotta go with this one right here. Let me see something. No, that's even worse. Let me see. Yeah, we're gonna stay where we was at with that. Yeah, we'll stay with that. Push there. Push right here. More level. Back up level here. Push it right there. Okay, yeah, that's more level. So yeah, this we gotta modify the front half of the bike to get this to go in there. Meaning this. Right here. Because this goes right here, which falls into this hole right here. So we're gonna have to eliminate some of this metal to get this to drop down. So whenever you put a double din radio in a Road Glide, you gotta modify it some. It basically means cut this whole upper level out to get it to drop in here. If you're putting a full double din, definitely got to cut it all the way out. On a Street Glide, you cannot put a double din radio in it because the triple tree is right where the lower half of the radio will go. So, we finna get to cutting. Let's go. So everybody is wondering, how do you get speakers in your radiators leg warmers? Well, here you go. It's stage 1 to fairing lower speaker kit grill. Snap-in speaker installation, easy vibration, weather resistance, boom audio assistance. Let's see what we got in the box here. If you got the radiators on your bike, this is what you put in. They got a whole speaker for you. So, what I'm going to do is change this speaker. Of course, they give you 2 of them. And you see most of the speakers on the outside. So what you have to do is get you a speaker that fits in this grill. Preferably. It got to be a shallow mount speaker. We would try and run this as it is, but it's 4 ohms. I don't know. Looks a little sketchy. But yeah, we're gonna see what we do here. This is how you get the lowers and sound in the lowers. Neat snap on right onto where your lowers go. On my previous hookups, I've only one previous that had this on the bike. Well, let me zoom this out. Back up. You basically just do this. Bam, bam, and we're in. The hole's big enough in the back. You know, it's flush mount, so it stays above this level here, because on this side you have 0 clearance. And so you zip that in, shoot the wire out straight up to the top. But in this operation here, I'm not going to trust your HD stuff, because we're going to be putting a little more power to run the rest of this stuff. Like the customer said, he need that 2.0. And 2.0 consists of 4 6.5s, or 4 voice speakers, 4 horn tweeters, and 4 6x9s. So, and some other stuff that goes right along with that. So, today's accomplishment, we got the radio in, Alpine. We got the hand controls functioning, all that stuff. So yeah, we're coming along pretty good. Oh wait, CVOs turn off like this. So that's for tomorrow's list. Just gotta figure out what speaker I'm going to use in here. We out. Wayne's Car Stereo. As you see, we chopped it all out. So when we mount it back up, it'll be just like this. Easy peasy, right there in your face. Back to work. Well, it's time to get back at it. Wayne's Car Stereo. Let's go. Well, I think extraordinary situations calls for this color, or hold on a second, let me see something. Now I'm gonna go ahead and run with this color. I have a darker shade in the back, but I think this is gonna be more justice. So when you open the bag, you got that ping pow. You see me now? Money Squad Stereo. Holla at your boy. Follow me on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram. Big Money Rob. It's all the same. I ain't hard to find. Let's go. Not bad.
Which helps provide for Vin's family.
Not bad at all.
Smoother tasting cup of coffee. Green Mountain Coffee Roasters. No matter how much life pushes us.
So for today, we got the blowers in. See, we got them inserts in there. Got the speakers up top. We got the bags all lined up over there. So tomorrow is wire day. So people who want to know how do you put your speakers in your radiators, well, you gotta get the Harley Davidson Boom Audio Stage 1/2 fairing lower speaker kit. This will allow you to put speakers in your radiators. Just like that. Like that. We out.